Alright, what's going on guys? T Torres back here for another video. And now this is a video that I've been A, wanting to do for a long time, and B, that I've been promising for a while on the channel. So today we are going to be taking the vinyl wrap off of my 10th gen Civic Si. I've had it on here for about a year and a half, and it's definitely served its purpose. It's time to change it up, time to go back white. And I'm thinking about getting some new wheels. So 2020, this car is going to get a different look. I'd like to rewrap it a different color, different style. Like I said, I do want to get some new rims. Also, I'm filming this 2 days before Christmas, so this video is going to go live on Christmas. So I wish each and every single one of you happy holidays and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Many blessings to all that are watching. And I want to say thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I do this A, because it's a passion and a hobby, and two, it's because of you guys. Thank you guys so much. I do have some goals set for YouTube for 2020, so hopefully we can achieve those. But without further ado, let's do one last walk around of the car as it sits with this vinyl wrap. Now keep in mind, this is the entire car is wrapped red, then it has a black overlay on it. So let's go ahead and walk around the car. Alright, so like I mentioned, this is a two-piece wrap. This whole piece, or excuse me, the entire car is red, has black overlays. This was Dragonfire red. This was a 3M 1080 wrap. So one of the reasons why it took me so long to make this is I have a couple imperfections. I backed into something, had that boo-boo, and then it did this and this. So hopefully whenever we take off the vinyl wrap, there's not going to be too much actual damage done to the actual paint. Yeah, this car served me, or excuse me, this wrap has served good purpose. I mean, even in low lighting, I love how the red looks different on this side. Then you come over here with the lighting and it looks different. Now this Dragonfire red does shine different with different lighting in the sun, etc. So there are a few things that I'm going to leave. I think I'm going to leave the mirror caps black. I'm going to leave the rooftop black. And I haven't decided yet about the spoiler, but yeah, that's all got to go. Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed this, got my money's worth out of it, and I'm excited to see what the next wrap's going to be. And I'm going to set a timer on my cell phone to see exactly how long this is going to take. One of the first pieces we're going to take off is this racing stripe, or not racing stripe, but this accent right here. It's always been off just a little bit, as you can see right here. So this is going to be the first piece I'm going to remove. Whew, this is going to be fun, removing all these, or this entire wrap. Like I said, I have been avoiding this for a long time, but I'm going to go ahead and set a timer, and let's see how long this is going to take. And I know many of you out there wanted me to go back white. Some of you actually hated this wrap. Some of you loved it. At the end of the day, I don't care. It's what I wanted and I liked it, but I am ready to go back to the white Orchard Pearl. All right, here we go. Let's start the timer. One piece down. That was rather easy compared to the other one. No turning back now. That's for sure. Alright, so I'll catch up with you guys once I get all this black on this side removed. Here you go. Little status update for you guys. I'm 42 minutes in. And man, this is going to be a chore. That's how much I've gotten off the hood. And this is how much I've gotten off the side. I got the 2 black pieces and a little piece down there. And I took off the black stripes, as you can see right there. This is going to be a super duper long project. But we got this. Project Bring White back on the Honda. Let's go! Alright guys, I am now like 3 hours in this. I just stopped the clock at 3 hours and this is as much as I've gotten done. This is all the wrap that I have taken off. As you can see right there. Boy, this is going to take a long time. I most certainly underestimated this, and but I'm going to get it done. So far, just from what I have done, I cannot wait to get this car back to White Orchard Pearl. But for tonight, that's all I'm going to do, 3 hours, and then I'm going to get up tomorrow morning. I guess put another 8 hours into it, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, happy Christmas Eve. It is now day 2. We're going to continue to what seems like a never-ending process of getting this off. Thankfully, I have my heat gun. It's helped out a lot, but man, hopefully I don't have to take the bumper off to get that part of the wrap off. I would love for all this to just come off in one section, but we're going to go ahead and get back to it. Once again, happy Christmas Eve, everybody. Alright, what's going on, guys? It is now day 2 on taking this wrap off the car. I got a little bit of a late start because I was, one of the parts that was missing from my truck came in today, and I went ahead and installed that because there were some things going on with the truck that needed to be fixed. But that video will be coming out, I don't know, maybe a week or 2. But yes, so the heat gun has been working great. It's just I have really underestimated how long this project is going to take. The hood's probably 95% done. I think I'm going to move on to the fender or the bumper. I'm not 100% sure yet exactly where I'm going to start, but just checking in, letting you guys know. Christmas Eve, we're now 3 hours and 30 minutes in. Golly. Alright guys, the heat gun is working wonders tonight. Probably took me about 10 minutes on that. I don't know why the heat gun didn't do as well on the freaking hood, but I'm starting to miss the white. Look how crazy the car looks as it sits. Just got that fender out, got that unwrapped, so gotta do that, and then we're gonna keep on going around the car. Hood looks like total crap. So far here is all the vinyl that we have taken off the car. It's quite a lot. Alright, just a little progress check. Oh yeah, getting a lot more. Alright, last clip. You know that fender's done. I got these panels right here are done all the way to the back, and then now I'm working on doing this rear panel here. Gonna stop at that line right there. I'm gonna tear up and do the whole top right there. So far she's coming out good. Still got a lot of work to go, and we are right at, let's see, oh man, we are right at 3 hours and 58 minutes. So back to unwrapping we go. Alright, so here's where we're at. Got this whole panel done, and now I'm working on this top trim piece right here. This edge right here has been an absolute nightmare to get off, but as you can see, it's tucked up under here. I really wanted to get this last panel done to close out for tonight, but this is going to have to be where it's at. Took the headlights out, they had wrapped inside of here, so that was good on them. Got that part done. So as you can see, as it sits, I'm going to continue a little bit more Christmas, and then this is going to have to be maybe a 2-part, 3-part video of me finishing the entire car. So I'm going to make sure you guys are going to 100% get a video on Christmas Day. So I'm going to do a little bit more, like I said, tomorrow on Christmas, and then as far as I get, I'll put that progress up and then I'll upload the video so you guys can watch it on Christmas. So peace out for now. Let's go to sleep so Santa Claus can come. All right, what's going on, guys? It is finally Christmas, and I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. So it is now day 3 of taking the wrap off the car, and I'm currently 4 hours and 52 minutes in, and let me tell you, yeah, I did not plan out enough time for this. So here is where we're at. Not much has changed since the last clip you guys just saw. Okay, got all this unwrapped. It may not seem like a lot, but I spent a lot of time. There was this line right here that runs along the roof right here. It's been a pain in the rear. Same with this one. I did have a new windshield put in, so I laid all this track over this black. So that has been a lot of fun. Took the black off of this door sill right here. That was also challenging because the wrap was, you know, tucked up in and behind there. So as you can see right here, there has been some adhesive left behind. But once this is all done, of course I'm gonna take the car out, wash it, clay bar it, and then I'm going to get the buffing wheel on it and polish it and get all the adhesive off, and then do a 3-stage correction on it. Like I said, I'm still gonna just leave this for now because this is like super sticky. You can hear it with my finger. Listen, that's super sticky. So it's probably the last part I'm going to do is probably finish off the hood. The hood really ticked me off, being that I had 3 hours on it. So what I'm not looking forward to is the bumper. You know, these lines right here are going to be super tough. And like I said, I'm not gonna lie, my finger has got blood under a little blood blister under my finger from just pinching and grabbing. So I'm worried about that front bumper is going to be a pain. Yeah, you can see that may be tough right there. I know this should be fine. I've done on the other side. Haven't got into the doors and the door handles, so we'll have to see about that. I think I'm going to leave the spoiler black, and I'm a little bit worried about the rear bumper. It's very tight down there, but I am also curious to see what the bumper is going to look like behind these. We're actually backed into something. So once again, I do want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And yeah, I intended on this being one video, but it looks like it may turn into like 3 videos, part 1, part 2, and part 3. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm happy that the car is going back white. I genuinely missed it. I talked to several people, showed them what it looks like. They're like, yeah, man, I missed the white. Love the wrap, but missed the white. So I'm so happy to go back to the Wired Orchard Pearl. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're stopping into the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, still leave it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel get in the suggested column. Thanks, guys. Until next video, peace.
Back to my pulse flat, we keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black, got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin', doing this is my calling. Flow is so